Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail ID in case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID or stolen your Gmail password or someone else is using your Gmail ID. In this condition, how do you discover of it? By alternative way, of course, we can recover the any Gmail ID without having the recovery emails, recovery password and the recovery phone number, guys. Right now here see guys, we are having the problems that we did not provide enough information. Unfortunately, one viewer who has recommended to recover this ID and he has lost his device today, so we would like to recover the alternative ways. How it is possible, we will see live here. Via Google support, we will recover it. So here, see guys, we will click on try agains, and here what will happen, this is a particular ID that we are in an account recovery phase, and of course we will go for try another way if we don't have a password. So we will choose always optional if we don't have. Now see, it's a sanction that we did not provide enough information, so let's try another way, because if I do multiple times here, so then yes, we will have to provide some profile entity via different email and upon. Of course, Google will endorse to justify that this account is mine or not, but total estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours. In that condition, you will not approach this status. We'll come in Play Store. The Play Store, of course, we will have the one browser that is especially there. Yes, duck go browser. Just we will go for. It has started to download, so it's installing. On the other hand, of course, we will have 2-3 essential things that we will have to apply. Just we will hold it as I'm the G browser, and in a especially we will come in a notifications to we will have to make it block, and of course we will come in the permissions to we will have to come in a locations to we will have to make the precise location disable, and upon of course we will go for don't allow anyway. Now we will cut it from here, guys, and we have another browser that is especially Chrome. Chrome is also product of Google, as we know that, so hold that. We will come in here, and upon of course we will come in a notification. The notification, of course, we will have to make it block, and thereupon come in the permissions to, of course, we will come in locations, make the precise location disable, and thereupon click on it don't allow, so device may no longer function as intended. For timing I'm doing it, so no problem. Now we will back one more time and see here by mistakenly 2 times done, so just we will come on here once again, hold this G browser, and in G browser we will have to come in here in especially we have one that is a browser app. In the browser app there is especially this, we will have to pick it, guys. Now what we will do, guys, simply we will come in this browser, so let's see open. Now it's opening, so of course, so 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute here. Let's go, and firstly we will fix these ones. We will go for browser to, of course we will go for next, and next to, of course, let's we will have to here write especially Google co.in right here. Of course we will go for here. Now wait for here one, this blue sign will be open. Now this one we will have to fix. Now here we will have to enter the particular that Gmail ID that we would like to recover, so of course we will have this ones, and now what we will do, firstly let's fix that this. Now we will go for next, and now see here we don't have a password, so of course we will go for here. Let's high fives this ones we will go for. We don't have a password. Now we don't have a phone number also, guys, so just we will click on here don't have. So now see here, answer as many questions we can, and use a device. It can be possible when we answer as many questions we can, and of course use a device. You have the sign before, so we don't have two options also. So here we cannot further ahead. No, we can. Don't click on a try again, otherwise this account would be a freeze for time being particular, because I'm the trying to recover this area by a different browser. So via Google browser, especially if we do, then of course it wouldn't be freeze multiple times, so that we can attempt. But here we cannot attempt them multiple times, guys. So just we will cut it from here. Last alternative options, we will have pause, we will come in setting to, of course we will come in a especially Google service. In a Google service, what we will have to do here, guys, we will come in help, three dot help icon, and upon what we will have to do, we will come in here, can sign in your accounts. Now what we have to do here, just we will have to wait, guys. Yes, we will have to wait here. Fourth option, see, you think someone else is using, guys. Now we will go for secure your accounts. Now we will come to review your account activities. Now we will click on find out if your account has been hacked. Now here what we will have to do, just we have one especially account recovery page. Just now automatically we would be here, and upon of course here we will have to type this particular, once again this ID, and upon of course just simply we have to do nothing, guys. Just we will click on here next. Now see, guys, here directly we would be here. Here is asking the fireproofs of the website automatically shining, and always fireproof of these things, and we are click on not now. Now see here what will happens. Here just we have two options, either we can go for continue or we can change the password. Here what we will do here, we cannot go on a continue, guys, otherwise we will trap in once again it's verify you in that sector. So once again you will have to reply answer of some query will be especially questions via Google. So yeah, just to simply we will go for change the password, and if I click on it change the password, then what will happens, now we will have this strong opportunity to create the strong password. Now see, create a new password, confirm the new password, and go for change. Right now of course while screen recording we cannot here change the password, because this will be in the public domain, so easily can recover in this area. So that's why, guys, I will another way. And for more security, of course, there we will have to come in a security center, and in a Gmail device management. There you will have to add their recovery number, recovery emails, and upon of course whatever you would like to do with this accounts you can, but try to add their recovery email and recovery phone number, guys, so that more your Gmail ID will be secured. This is all about right now in this tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box, so pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Thank you very much indeed.